climbing this ladder is not fun. It's a long ways up here. I should get a tape measure to see how high that thing is. I think I will, and then I'll let everybody know how high that thing is. I bet it's 30 feet in the air. And I know drones go, way up, super high. But it's gonna be interesting to see the footage. Alright. Whoa! Safely back down. I come up with these ideas all the time. I think it's a great idea. That camera up there, I think that's a great idea. But I don't know if everybody has already been using this for the last year and a half, and I'm just catching on. Might not be my idea. I mean, I didn't see it on YouTube anywhere. I haven't seen it being used anywhere, but maybe it has been. So I apologize if somebody's been using this and I just didn't know. But hey, I think it's a good idea. Here we go. There's the pipe, and I've got this GoPro set up right here. We're gonna grab this. Right there. Now, that's backwards. Spin that around. And let's get some angle here. There, that's a little better. Start up this mini excavator and see what it looks like. Turn the glow plug on. Stepped on the rope. Did one. I need to do the next one. Let's go about a foot. Perfect. All right, got my long screws. Got this one, got this one. Okay. All right, let's try and get up there without falling. Put this pipe up. falling though. One more step. I think that's good.